What's up, guys?
Today we're gonna make slime with just this, these,
And the solution.
so we already put our stuff here off camera. So
Why you gotta do this?
Why
Oh,
you gotta-
I didn't mean to fix it through me.
so yeah, we already put our stuff. Y'all comment who won.
Hold on, I need some more
Oh, I got it. Who put my stuff in here? Me too. I want it to be extra fun.
I don't think it's anymore in it. Oh, it's not. It's not.
It is.
So I need some solution. Some more solution.
Me too. Extra
Oh,
foam.
look at that.
Christian, get out our
Extra
room.
foamy.
And we will be doing some pranks today on some people.
So look
But
at
we still
mine.
got to do the Bean Boozle challenge.
Alright, so y'all ready for this?
I told you it worked. I told you it worked. There we go.
Christian, get out.
We'll get back to y'all when we done. Pause it.
I'm just going up him.
Yeah.
I want y'all.
Look
a
at
lot
mine.
big. Then I'm gonna get mine a lot of big.
Use a lot of foam.
Give me this.
Mine's gonna be it. I already know it.
Y'all gotta use it.
Yeah,
Give me this. Why you use that phone?
The what?
Foam.
The spoon.
I
Can I
like
use your spoon?
I like mine.
I use your spoon.
I like
Look at
mine
mine.
too. Oh, you unpaused it. Well, guys, I know y'all probably heard me say spoon. Was because I'm Russian, because I'm in the mood of slime fever.
Yeah,
And
we
I'm
like
so happy I
making
made
slime.
it.
So look at it.
And it smells delicious. If y'all can smell this through the camera, try to with all your ability.
So y'all wanna
Look
hear
at
a
my
crunch?
slime.
Girl,
What? Sorry.
this a brand new outfit. Stuff up my motherfucking sleeve.
You didn't cuss, you said mother freaking. So yeah, guys, that was how you make y'all slime.
Slime. So y'all stay tuned.
But I'm
for
finna
Big
play
Boozle.
for it. I'm finna play.
We're gonna
What?
play with it for a little bit.
It was so fun seeing it come together though.
I know, like,
That's the
comment down
that's
below if y'all ever got that feeling, like if something
was
came
come together,
like a slime came together and you were so happy.
and it looked like so satisfying.
Satisfying, yeah. Jaylee's feel like an iceberg slime,
Armani, you can feel
but
me.
at the same time stretchy. Mine
Wait,
feel good.
where
Feel
my
mine.
ball at? Where my ball at?
Feel
We
mine.
gotta make one more batch and save some glue for Christiana. What?
Just say the little girl some glue.
That's unusable.
I like this, y'all.
Me too.
Just if y'all could look closely, I got.
But I still got
I
a
got
meal. My
shush. I got stars.
And I
And I
got
got sparkly
glitter.
purple glitter and sparkly.
It don't even take that much to
I got
nearly.
glitter.
Yeah, you only have to do like 1, 2, 3.
Well,
and
Armani,
you
we
can
could have
pick
been
it up,
doing this
change
at your house because you got this, and this.
Like, we didn't know.